In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, you don't have to open it. Just go into Devices Settings and scroll down a tiny bit to hit Apps. Then select Default Apps, tap on Home app, and click Launcher Pro to apply it. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To adjust it however you want to, just go into Launcher Pro and follow all of the instructions within your app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and tapping on the Launcher app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!